Here, kapitbahay is there. Sarap mo ng kain nila ng damo. Hello everyone, nagpabukid na punta. Pabukid ta. Mga baka, silingan na mo baka. Bukid-bukid, pabukid. Awag ni Chordori oh. Wow. Magpalit muna tayo ng sapatos pang bundok. Mountain, mountain. So guys, it's Ascension Day ngayon. It's holiday here. Maglakad-lakad tayo dito sa kagubatan ng Switzerland. We are looking in the daanan, no? The train. And then yun, lawa doon, ang lake doon.
In the mountains.
Parang is look, this region is the region of Lilac. Grabe, look. Oh, grabe, Lilac na to. Ang bango ba? Oh, ang bango. So good, smell good. No, katat. Ayun pa oh. Ito pa tayo sa ano. Train station to eh. Lupong. Ayun tayo. We are entering to the lakeside. Oh, the lake yan. Iikutin natin yung lake dito. Ayan na, nandito na tayo. Tingnan nyo. Ito na yung lalakaran natin dito.
Sound of the bird.
Not so hot, not so cold. Oh, the water. Oh,
Little river.
little river.
To the lake.
Let's check here. A little. Hi. Hello. Yeah, so nice. Oh my gosh, it's so good.
Perfect.
With the branch stem, yung sa?
Why it's perfect, you will see. Oh la la. So good. This one is so beautiful.
Wow. Wow.
Never give up. No.
To go around this lake. Tada! Oh, you can swim here na.
Oh, we look, it's a babayon.
Ah,
Let's go, Dagat.
you can swim here. Wow, someone fishing. There.
Wow.
Okay.
Can you see?
Oh, look, there's so much.
So much baby fish. Yes, you can. In summer, there is so much people swimming. But the fish on the end.
Oh my God. No. No, look. That's it. Yeah, it's cold. It's cold. Ang daming maliliit. There's so much small fish there. Oh. Ito yung dadaanan natin. Mga itong walking natin, iikutin natin yung lake. Mga 1 hour or almost 2 hours. Pag hindi kami magsi-selfie.
2 hours sa Filipina, 1 hour is old citizen.
Dito tayo. Ganyan. Iikot tayo hanggang doon. Balik tayo doon. So, Clara, good luck. Bonjour.
Regarde-moi cette nature.
Ouais, look for the... Oh la la.
Sur the wall,
Yeah, look at this nice. Oh, nature. Mountain. Oh, look at that, all the white.
It's 6 months, 6 months a year, winter.
This is all the small houses here. Ah, and look at that. His house. Kain na to. Oh, grabe. Kain na to. Ah. Woo! Nandito na tayo. Naglalakad tayo sa gilid ng bundok. Yan, bundok. Kita. Wow. We are, oh no, pukwa.
Buhay?
Si buhay.
Ouais.
Hey. We came from there.
Ouais, we come from there, yes, exactly.
There, oh.
Exactement.
And then now we are here in the other side. Wow. Tingnan yung kahoy, oh. Tumubo pa tayo sa gilid. Look at that. Oh. It's all the flowers here. Look at that.
It's all white flower.
All the wildflower.
Nobody plenty to look.
We are in the sidewalk of the mountain. There's all the flowers here. May nag-iisang baka dun there. Ayan sila. Nandito na tayo sa other side. Ito na yung kabuuan ng ikot natin. That's the one ikutan natin na lake. Diyan dito hanggang doon, hanggang dito na.